Hello my friends, how are you today? I'm Zura Jose from Yarn and Needle Cafe. Welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to make this beautiful scarf. Look at the stitch, it's so nice. I use this scarf for my brother. It's so nice for men. In this scarf I used yarn KARTUPO FLORA, but I don't have them the same color. I use them to make this scarf. It's the same type of this one, KARTUPO FLORA, okay, but it was a gray one, okay. And I used 4mm hook, okay. Look at the stitch, it's so nice. Let me show you the width and length of this scarf. The length is 1 meter 0.60 centimeter, and the width is, just a minute, and the width is 15 centimeters equals 6 inches, okay. So nice. I hope to make this one. It's so nice and very fast, super fast and super easy. Okay, to make this scarf I used 2 of this yarn, okay. It's 100 grams, so I used 200 grams for this measurements, and I told you that I used 4mm hook, okay. So gather your supplies and let's start. As always, you can use any type of yarn you want, but make sure that the hook is suitable to the yarn that you chose, okay. First of all, we will make slip knot, okay. If you don't have any idea how to make slip knot, you round this yarn, round your fingers, make an X, okay. Under this loop we will pull the second loop and pull both sides, okay. In this scarf I will make a chain, even number of chains, okay. Make sure that you will make even number of chains, no matter how you want, width of this scarf you want to make, but make sure that you made even number of this chains. I will make, in this video I will make a sample for the scarf, okay. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 and 22, okay. I made 22 chains. Now I will make one chain, okay. So they will be 23 chains. Now at the first row I will make single crochets, okay. I will leave the first, okay, I will leave the first chain, okay. I will start from the second chain and I will make single crochet, pull up a loop, you will have 2 loops, pull through both of them, both loops, okay. Now chain 1, okay, leave the second chain and make single crochet after this chain. I will leave this one, okay, and into this one I will make single crochet, pull up a loop, you will have 2 loops, pull through 2 loops. Okay, chain 1, leave 1 chain and make single crochet into another into the next chain, single crochet, pull up a loop, you will have 2 loops, pull through 2 loops, chain 1, leave this chain and make into the next one single crochet, and like that continue like that, making single crochet, 1 chain, you have to leave 1 chain beneath and make single crochet into the next chain, chain 1, leave this chain, into the next chain make single crochet. Okay, chain 1, leave this one and make single crochet into this chain, and like that continue. I will meet you at the end of this row. Now I reached to the end of this row. Now I chained 1, I will leave the next chain and I will make single crochet into the last one. Okay, this is a single crochet. So this is my first row. Okay, now we will continue making 3 chains, 1 2 3, turn your work. Okay, you see under this chain that you made before, I will make this stitch here. Okay, this stitch, this puff, I will make it into this, under these chains. Okay, now yarn over and under this chain that you made, pull up a loop and pull it like this. Okay, you will make a double crochet, but you will not complete it. Pull it through these 2 loops. Okay, you will have 2 loops, leave them like that, yarn over and into the same space, pull up a loop. Now you will have 4 loops. Okay, pull through the first 2 loops. Now you will have 3 loops on your hook. Again, yarn over at the same place, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull up a loop like that. Okay, pull through the first 2 loops here. Okay, now you will have 4 loops on your hook. Pull the yarn through all of these loops like that. Okay, now make 1 chain. Okay, now into the the second space here that you see. Okay, I will make 3 double crochets, but I won't complete them like the first step here. Yarn over into the second space, pull up a loop. Okay, you will have 3 of them, pull through 2. Okay, now you have 2 loops on your hook. Again, yarn over into the same space, pull up a loop. Okay, you have to pull through the first 2 loops. Now you will have 3 loops here, and again yarn over into the same space, pull up a loop. Okay, pull through the first 2 loops. Now you will have 4 loops on your hook. Pull a yarn through all the 3 loops. Now make 1 chain like that. Okay, and again into the second space, the same steps before, yarn over into the same space, pull up a loop, okay, pull through the first 2 loops, okay, make double crochet and don't complete it, yarn over, pull up a loop, and again make a double crochet but don't complete it, and again yarn over at the same space, pull up a loop, make a double crochet without completing it. You will have now 4 chains. Pull through all these loops on your hook, then make 1 chain. Look, and again you will continue making this row till the end of this round, okay, sorry, this row, okay. This scarf is 2 rows repeating the row before, single crochet and 1 chain, and this row, okay. Into the next space I will keep making double crochets without completing them, okay. Yarn over into this space, pull up a loop, pull a yarn through 2 loops, don't complete the double crochet, again yarn over into the same space, pull up a loop and pull 3 yarn through these 2 loops. You will have 3 loops, and again now you will have 3 loops on your hook. Pull your yarn from these all 2 loops and make 1 chain. Continue like that till the end of this row, and I will meet you here, okay. Now I reached to the end of the row. I will make the last puff here at the last space, okay, like before, and yes, now 1 chain. Here you have to make 1 double crochet, okay, because we added on here 3 chains. You have to finish it with 1 double crochet, okay. And this is the second row, and this is the second row. Easy, right? The third row will be 1 chain, turn your work. I will repeat the row the row number 1, okay. Here at this space, okay, you see this space, I will make single crochet, okay. Now chain 1 into the second space, I will make single crochet, okay, chain 1. At the next space again I will make single crochet, chain 1, single crochet. Every space that you will meet you have to make single crochet, okay. Don't forget to make chain 1 between them, okay, separated by chain 1, chain 1, single crochet, chain 1. Keep making this row like that, and I will meet you here. Now I reached to the end of this row. Now I will make chain 1 here into these chains that I made before into the third one. I will make single crochet. Now I will make 3 chains, okay. Turn your work. I will repeat the row number 2 now, okay. Can you see this space here? I will make 3 double crochets without completing them. Yarn over into this space, okay. Push your hook, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops. Again, yarn over, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull up a loop, and pull through 2 loops. I will have 3 loops on my hook, pull a yarn through all of these 4 loops, then chain 1. Easy, like? Easy, right? Sorry. Now again, into this space, make the same steps here. Double crochets without finishing them. Yarn over, pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull up a loop. You will have 4 loops. Pull a yarn through these 4 loops and chain 1 into this space. Okay, yarn over, pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull up a loop, and yarn over, pull up a loop. You will have 4 loops. You have to pull through these 4 loops and chain 1. Continue this row like that. As I told you, this scarf just 2 rows repeating, okay? This row and this row. Now I reach to the last row, sorry, yes, to the end of this row. I will make the last one. Okay, chain 1. Now, as I told you, you have to finish it with a double crochet here. Okay, yarn over, push your hook, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops, and again through 2 loops. Now I will make the row number 1 here. After this row, chain 1. Row number 1, you have to chain 1. Row number 2, you have to chain 3. Okay, and into every space here, make a single crochet separated by 1 chain. Okay, single crochet, chain 1, single crochet, chain 1, single crochet, chain 1. After this row, you have to make row number 2 like this one here. Okay, this is our scarf. Sorry, this is our scarf for this video. It's so easy, super easy, but it's so nice stitch. Okay, use yarn like this one, glowy. Okay, it will be perfect with you. I hope you make this. I hope you like this tutorial. I hope you make this scarf. Please, if you make this scarf, send me pictures for it, or write for me in the comments below. Okay, if you like my video, if you like my work, subscribe my channel, like. Thank you very much for your time and you watching my video. I hope you make this scarf. It's very, very nice. I made this scarf in 2 days. It's super easy. Just wow. You can put yarn here, but no, I think it's nice like that. Okay, and thank you for your time. Welcome to my channel. I'm Zura Hossein. Bye bye.